like over the top. And I tried to use as many colors as I can because I just want you guys to see how it looks on my skin. And I'm also gonna do a couple of swatches, but look at that pink while I'm blinking, like come on. Okay, it's lit, y'all. So it's called the Piano Palette, and girl, yes, I love it. Yes. So let's talk about these colors. The names, super cute.
Needle-eye, hip-hop, romantic mood, spice, Jamaica, dancehall, reggae, R&B, soca, cool it, genie, and chic. Okay.
They're super pigmented, but I'm gonna show you. Let's start with Needle Eye, because that's what I'm wearing right now on my lids. So you guys can already see. But look at that. Like, awesome. Come on, come on. And I'm gonna swatch Spice. I'm gonna try to swatch all of, girl. Okay, so I have to try this blue next, this Spice color next, because that is like super pigmented. Okay, I like that. That one is called Jamaica. I'm gonna run out of fingers. Oh, let's try this R&B, because it's like a really, okay. That one's okay. Let me see what else. I don't have that many fingers, guys. This one is called Cool It. Like, these are very pigmented. Let's try Soca. It's pretty pigmented. I think that the light over here too is also like not helping. But yeah, that one is called Soca. And then we'll try the Gold Reggae, which I also have on my eyes. Yes. Oh, we need to do something with the orange and the gold. And then you guys don't need to see Dance Hall. It's just black. Here's Genie. Also a really cute tannish color. And then I'm gonna swatch Hip Hop. This is Hip Hop at the top, which is very close to Genie, but Genie is actually a little lighter, if you can see that. Okay, so super, super pigmented colors. And if you wanna see how I got this super dramatic look, really dramatic because of the lashes. These lashes are over the top. Then stay tuned. And oh, before we get there, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And click that bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a video. Because boo-boo, I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. Back and I'm better. So without further ado, let's get into this look. So I'm actually going to speed through this look just because I want to keep this video nice and short. And most of the products that I'm using today are the same as in my last tutorial. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you do that. If there are any new products that I used on my face today, I will link it down below in the description box. And as I begin to support more Black-owned businesses and brands, honey, I will update you guys in a more detailed tutorial very soon. So look out for that. By the way, if you like these lashes, they are from Essskaay Beauty. She has her own YouTube channel. Definitely check her out. I will link it down below. I've gotten a lot of questions about this lip color on my social media. The darker color is Demi-Glace by Bite, and the lighter color is Goldieloxxed by MAC. Alright sis, as I wrap up this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there are any black-owned businesses or products that you would like for me to review next. And don't forget to think twice before you swipe your card today. Love you sis.